Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna go over my little urban survival EDC Altoids tin. There's hundreds of these out there, but I always find it interesting to see what people carry. One thing I did notice for the lid, if you want it to stay closed a little better without having to use like a Ranger band or something, if you bend this little section in just a little bit, it does help to hold it shut. There's a little tip. You got to be careful because these things will actually bend out and everything. Anyway, so this is what's in my tin. In the top here, I just have a couple of Band-Aids. You know, the kid will scrape herself or whatever. It's always nice to have a couple Band-Aids. On the other side of them, just a little Pharrell lens.
Such an idiot.
A little magnifying glass. Not only does it help see things, but you can actually use it to start a fire too, and I have done that before. Next thing in here, these are strike anywhere matches. I usually would keep a Bic lighter, but for some reason I didn't have one when I put this kit together, and I've never bothered changing it because I actually like these. And then I put a little piece of the wax jute fire tinder starter that I had from Temu actually. Then I have just a little Ziploc bag with a couple of Advil in case I get a headache or something like that. I have two of these little cotton towels, a couple of these alcohol swabs from the Temu order. Then I just have a little thing of crazy glue. This stuff is really good for closing up wounds or fixing a toy or whatever. If something breaks, it's always nice to have. Then I found that I could fit my little Roxxon, I think it was the Roxxon M4, and this is the one with the nail clippers and everything. Get a hangnail or something, you really want to take care of that right away, and it's kind of hard to do with a pocket knife. And then just a simple little sewing kit, needle, buttons, a couple colors of thread, and a small little safety pin. Always handy if you lose a button or something like that. And then just the simple little titanium alloy tweezers. Again, these are working quite well. This is a different item here. This is the last of it, but I have a Ziploc style freezer bag from Walmart here. And it's a pretty decent size. What I use this for is if I ever were stranded or something and I needed to collect water or keep tinder dry or whatever else, these are really great to have. And then I have these little aqua tabs, and one tab is good for 1 liter, and it takes about 30 minutes to sterilize your water, and it's just a nice little backup just to have just in case. It all just folds up nice and neat in here. There we go. I don't know what this weighs. I should have brought my scale down. Maybe I'll do that. I'll put it up there. But it's a nice little thing. It's just peace of mind. Like it's basically for small scrapes and in an odd situation where you needed to start a fire for some reason. These are fun. They're cheap. They're easy to put together, and they're just neat to have. If you like watching things like this, please remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Good. Done and done. Whoa, what am I doing there?